Hi, I'm Casandra Morse-Bills, and I am running for Michigan Supreme Court. I'm before you today not only as a judge, but also as somebody who deeply believes in the principles that have guided this party and our country from the very beginning of their existences. I have respect for the Constitution, the rule of law, personal responsibility, and the courage to defend those values even when those values are challenged. And you know as well as I do that those values are especially being challenged in recent years. For years, I have had the privilege of serving the people of this state from the bench, and before that, I served as a prosecutor in my community, standing up for victims, protecting our communities, and working every day to ensure that justice is served. Those experiences have shaped my understanding of what the law means to real people like you and me, and the responsibility that judges and justices carry when they take an oath to uphold our Constitution. As a judge today, I preside over probate, district, and circuit courts, cases that involve families, victims, businesses, and individuals from every walk of life. In every courtroom, I remember the same principle, and that is that a judge's job is not to create the law, not to bend it to personal views, and not to follow political pressures. A judge's duty is to apply the law as it is written and to protect the Constitution as it was intended. Our founders designed a system of self-government that is built on separation of powers. Legislators, they make the law. Executives enforce the law, and courts are here to interpret the law. When judges step outside that role and begin legislating from the bench, then they undermine the very foundation of our constitutional system. It needs to stop. If given the great opportunity to serve on our Supreme Court, I will remain committed to judicial restraint, fidelity to the Constitution, and equal justice under the law. I will bring the same work ethic, integrity, and independence that have guided me throughout my entire career. I believe that our court systems must remain places where the law is applied fairly, where the Constitution is respected, and where citizens can trust that justice is not influenced by politics, public, or political pressures. Today, I am humbly asking for your support and your vote to become your nominee for the Michigan Supreme Court. Together, we can ensure that our highest court system remains committed to the rule of law and that principles that make our state and our country strong and great. I'm asking for your vote and your support. Thank you for this opportunity, and God bless you.